How to choose the right style truck tire chain. VBar truck chains. The benefits of reinforced V-bar chains are that the reinforced V-bar cross chains provide the best traction. They have optional tightening cams for easy and quick adjustments. V-bar chains are the best choice for snow plowing and when aggressive traction is needed. Before you buy truck tire chains, make sure that you know your tire size, determine your work environment, and consider the usage requirements. The tire chain experts at Ken Jones are here to help. Call 1-800-225-9513.